Good morning, today sa September 19, 2024. Nag-check tayo ng cargo bago ipasok sa loob ng ship o ng barko. Ang gamit namin dito ay Centrix, itong pang-detect. May kulig. May boss, oh. Now press the green button on the Centrix. Now it's showing no threat. It means it's okay. Let's try the other pallets. Second pallet is no threat. This means good to go. Pwede nang ipasok sa loob ng ship. Thank you.